Hello again, guys. Thank you for visiting me again. My name is Marvin. I'm with Jaguar Top Repair.com. So over the years, I've done this repair over 300 times. I've been in business about 12 or 13 years. I lose count sometimes. But what I wanted to share with you guys is important information. But before we get started, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that now. I don't want you guys to miss out on any information that I'll be sharing on my channel over the next few weeks or so. But anyway, moving forward, so what's made me successful? Well, I have guys that I use who I get all of my parts from. If one guy doesn't have a part, I call the next guy. If that guy doesn't have the part and the price I'm looking for, I call another guy. But what I wanted to share with you are the guys that I use to get all of my parts from. And by all means, tell them I sent you. They may give you a little bit of a discount. So before we get started, why don't you go ahead and grab a pen and a pad, and I'll also put these names down in the description section so you have them as well. All right, so first person I use is Dan at Jaguar Heaven. They're in Stockton, California. Phone number is 209-942-4524. Again, that's Dan at Jaguar Heaven, 209-942-4524. Second, I use Larry at Strandberg Auto. They're in Centuria, Wisconsin. Larry's number directly is 800-448-5121. Again, 800-448-5121. Third, there's Coventry West. They're located in Lithonia, Georgia. The person I speak with pretty regularly, his name is Brett. Now, I will be honest. I'll give you full disclosure. Coventry West is very, very proud of their parts. So the pricing may not be exactly what you're looking for, but they will have what you need. So Coventry West, their phone number directly, 770-484-6500. Again, Coventry West, 770-484-6500. And then there's Terry's Jaguar. This is my last contact. Terry's Jaguar. They're located in Kalamazoo, Michigan. I don't order from them often, but what I have found over the years is that on new parts, their pricing is amazing. It's actually pretty damn good. So I am going to include Terry's Jaguar here. You guys can use them if you want. It's just another option for you. Again, they're located in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Their phone number directly is 269-353-5230. Again, 269-353-5230. I hope that information helps you guys. If you're looking for parts, new or used, these guys are the ones that I use, and what I think is that they are the best. So if you're looking for parts, definitely, by all means, give them a call. Let them know that Marvin from Jaguar Top Repair sent you, and maybe there'll be a small discount for you. But, you know, you got to give them a call and see and let me know. Okay, well, thank you guys for tuning in. Again, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for listening. And I am Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. If you guys need any help with your convertible tops, by all means, give me a call at 888-317-9340. Looking forward to hearing from you guys soon. Thank you for listening.